Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can save like images and like videos and stuff from your Instagram direct messages to your phone's gallery. To do that, you're just going to open up direct messages and open up the direct messages that you want to open. And then to basically save it, you're just going to press for a few seconds on the image. Then you're just going to press save, and it's going to be saved directly into your gallery. And it is as simple as that. It works also with videos as well. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!